Okay, so I just got back on my Oculus since the 10 o'clock one, since 10 o'clock, like 10:20, and there's an update. I'll update it. 113. Next time won't take long. I'll get back to you when this is done. Okay, open it. So I just got in. There's a new set of cosmetics in the store. Better stock up on your rain gear. It looks like it could start raining in the near future. Okay, so I'm guessing there's gonna be like rain boots. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's cosmetics. Whoa.
Rainy. Hold up, I'm gonna mute everyone. Rainy. There it goes in your bed. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at these. Wait, do they? What is that? Golden boots? What is this? Okay, I need to try out all of these. Wait, was there any handheld ones? Okay, well, first off, we got this thing. Nice. Blue one. A yellow one. An egg on your head. I don't know, I don't really like the egg on the head, but let's try the boots. They go in your hands? Oh, it's like you. Whoa, that one might actually be cool. This thing, not bad. If I do all yellow, drippy, woo! Get it? Cause like rainy, drippy. Yeah, okay. I think it would be cool if like your hands would go like in it like this instead of at the bottom like that. But let's see this one. These ones. Nice, pretty nice. And that's all the cosmetics, so I'm gonna go check out the prices on them. I forgot the prices. So I think most of these, 2,000, 4,000, 5,000. Yeah, so I think all the gold things are 5,000. 3,500 for a badge. I don't think that's worth it. 3,500, 2,000 for the egg top. It's not bad. Okay, so that's 4,000. Dang, I kind of want these boots, but like, kind of expensive. 4,000, 2,000. I could get. Ooh, actually, hold up. I have 4,500. Does this look good? Does this look good for rainy weather? No, rainy weather? I don't know, dude. I don't like these badges, dude. It's raining outside, so little ooh. Okay. So I could get. Hold up. Is this still look like drippy though? Yeah, no, I think I'm gonna get. Yeah, so I do like this hat though. It's like a safari hat. It doesn't really look like a ring. It kind of does look like a ring hat, but I could get these boots. I don't know, man. Hold up. So wait, I just realized this. Why is this like brown? It's rest. Money, 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 money. Cancer's honey, lie its tongue. If he hollers, let him go. My mama told me to pick the very best when you are it. Hey guys, so my mom told me to pick this one, you know, my mama. But this one's 2000. Do you want to buy this item? Yes. Are you really sure? Yes, I need it. Yes, I need it. Okay. Okay. Woo. Okay, now I'm gonna go play some Publix and see if anyone else is wearing these cosmetics. Okay, there's also only 329 people online. That's crazy, dude. Okay, let's go though.
Honestly,
What's up?
in my opinion, I think the boot skinned the way too much. And yeah, that combo would look fire if you put it in yellow. It'll look
Okay, so
fire.
you're single one?
Come here.
You're single one?
Same,
One's
yeah, that's what I
recording a
think.
video.
Recording a video. Come here.
What's up? Okay.
Y'all are all recording a video. Join the code JET.
JET.
I'm posting this for my YouTube and my TikTok.